Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Right, so I am making today with you a keyring using the gorgeous bee that is in the new jewellery kit, all about the beads, which is our lovely Dawn's brand new release. It's absolutely beautiful. So I've got all my bits ready. I think so it's just going to be straightforward. I have my keyring bits sorry, I have some split rings, and I've made some little dangly bits to join this fabulous bee on the keyring. Right, okay, so we're just going to get making, like putting it together. So very simple. So I have a big split ring here. Where's the opening gone? There's the opening. And what I want to do is I want to put I'm thinking I want some chain. I have got some chain. Where is my chain? There's my chain. Is it? Yeah. Yeah, I'm thinking I want a bit of chain for it as well. Just so it dangles a little bit more. Not too much. Let's go here. Where's my clippers? This was not the plan, by the way. So I'm just going to clip that there. Okay, so we have got that. Yes, so I need another ring. The big one can go on the bee at the bottom, so I need that one's for that. Oh, and I've just knocked them all over the place. Hey, what am I like? So I want no, this one. Is it this one? Is it that one? I think it's that one. We'll soon find out, won't we? Right, okay, so this one is for my bee. So my bee will go on there. I just like the big rings. I hope you can see what I'm doing. Then that will go on there like that. Will it? I'm just thinking, yes. So that one will go on there like that. Then let's not do that. Oh dear, I might need to get a new one. No, it's fine. It's fine. Right, so there is my bee on my bit of chain. Okay, yeah. Let me get this ring. And these are my own split rings, by the way. This I got them from Amazon, but Dawn does sell them in her shop. I will be getting some from her shop very soon. Then I don't think I need that little split ring there, so I'm going to do that, and then I'm going to do that. Yeah, I'm going to do that. That's what I'm doing. Okay, so I don't need that little teeny tiny split ring. And then this just goes, oh, if I can open it. Why can't I open that? There we go. So this will go onto here. And there we go. There is my gorgeous keyring. I think the chain's a little bit long for it though. But yeah, I will sort that out, because I think it needs to be about that far apart. Yeah, I think that's right. Let me just put this ring away so I don't lose it. Yeah, that's what I need to do. But there we go. I am done for now. If you haven't already, please head on over to Dawn's shop. She has absolutely gorgeous bits and bobs in her shop. She's got new cups, she's got water bottles, like thermos flask type things. She has new pens, she has pencil cases, she has tote bags. Oh my god, there is so much in her shop, and this bead kit is just amazing. I think I've got one of the pens, yeah. So this is one of her pens, and it's got her ShinySilverTreasures on. There's green, there's black, there's navy blue, there's pink, there's purple. Is there another one? I think there's a red one. I'm not sure. I could be completely wrong. But yeah. So head on over to her shop. Give her your support. Let me just show you all the other bits that I've made from this kit. So this is a necklace. Let me just put it like that. There we go. So that's a necklace. Beautiful. It's a long one as well. I made another necklace. So we've got that. I made a bracelet. I made so much. So I have this gorgeous bracelet. Now this bracelet I am going to give as a gift to my sister. It was my sister's birthday the other day. So yeah, she was born 2 years and a day after I was. So yeah, it was her birthday, and I'm seeing her very soon, a couple of days. So I thought I would give her this bracelet as a present, and these gorgeous earrings. These earrings here. Oh, my doggy's barking, probably at the cat. So we have these earrings, and I also made these ones as well. These are like, remind me of angels. It's like, it's got that shape. Absolutely beautiful. I love them. So yeah, everything will be linked in the description box below. So please go and please check the links out. Also to the other design team members as well. So I'm gonna go and sort this dog out. Don't know what she's barking at, but I'm sure I'll find out very soon. Probably another cat in the garden. So there we go. There is my gorgeous keyring. I love it. I absolutely love it. Okay. Right, if you enjoyed watching, please give me a big thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think. And if you are not already a subscriber, please consider subscribing. And I will see you in another video very soon. Bye-bye for now.